So the big picture for this lesson is polynomials and evaluating polynomials. So what is a polynomial? Let's start off with a monomial. Here's a monomial. One term. Binomial. Two terms. These are both polynomials. Polynomial could be any number of terms. So 2x is a polynomial, 3x plus 4 is a polynomial, and you could have 3 terms, 5 terms, a million terms, however many terms you have. So a polynomial function looks like this, for example. Okay, that's a polynomial function. A couple vocabulary words. The degree is the highest power, so in this case the degree is 4. And the leading coefficient, that is the coefficient for the term with a degree, so the leading coefficient is 2 in this case. So you're going to practice evaluating polynomials in here. So let's say you want to find f of 2. One way you can do that is input 2 for all the x values here. So that would be 2 and then 2 to the 4th minus 3 times 2 squared plus 2 times 2 and then plus 1. So that is 2 to the 4th is 16 and then times 2 is 32 minus 3 times 2 squared. 2 squared is 4 and then times 3 is negative 12, so minus 12, and then plus 2 times 2, which is 4, and then plus 1. And make sure you add and subtract from left to right here. So this equals 32 minus 12, which is 20, and then plus 4 plus 1. So 20 plus 4 is 24, plus 1 is 25. That's one way to evaluate a function. There's another way called synthetic substitution, and I like doing this method. It's pretty fun. So first thing you do is you list all the coefficients. So there's a 2 for the 4th power. There's actually no 3rd power term here, so I need to put a placeholder 0 for that term. And then negative 3, and then 2, and then 1. Put a bracket here like this. And then I'm going to put the 2 that I'm evaluating over here. So this 2 right here, this f of 2, that goes here. Bring down this 2 first. And then 2 times 2, these 2's, is 4. That goes up here. And then you add 0 plus 4 and you get 4. Then multiply this 2 times the 4 and get 8. Then add negative 3 plus 8 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 goes here. 2 plus 10 is 12. And then 2 times 12 is 24. And then the 1 plus the 24 makes 25. Notice this 25 is the same as this 25. So that's synthetic substitution, and you're going to be practicing this one quite a bit. It's going to lead to a division technique later in the unit. That's the big picture.